It's not just a sweater, it's a statement. This high neck knit is smooth, structured and subtly bold, making it the perfect piece for colder days when you still want to turn heads. Crafted with breathable, high-quality knit, it hugs your silhouette without clinging too tight. Lightweight, warm and built to move with you, like confidence but in fabric form. A sleek high neckline, ribbed texture and tailed fit create that clean, elevated look, whether layered under a coat or worn solo. This pullover adds depth to any outfit. Pair with jeans for a casual day stroll or slide it under a blazer for instant main character energy. No matter the combo, the vibe stays refined. Ideal for city walks, coffee catch-ups, evening plans or just being effortlessly cool. This turtleneck fits into every scene without trying too hard.